Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the silhouette effect using just the adjustments. So first I'm just going to copy and paste this. Select auto removal to remove that background. I'll just place it here so I can see what it removed. It's not super perfect on this one, but it's fine. So I'll just select this and I'll go to the adjustments tab and I'm just going to place it to the right side here. Turn down the saturation, turn down the exposure, turn up contrast, turn down highlight, shadow, whites, as well as black until it looks like this. And you can even go to video basic, go to the blend section and adjust the opacity if you'd like to. You can also add this on top of the silhouette. I guess put it here and place the shadow a little bit closer to it. But yeah, that is pretty much how you can create a silhouette in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!